You're watching KSG News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about IISc signing MoU with Indian Navy. The Indian Institute of Science, that is IISc, and the Indian Navy have signed an MoU to collaborate on aviation research and development and to ramp up self-reliance efforts for the Indian Navy in line with the goals of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The MoU, signed on the 29th of July 2022, provides a formal basis for the Indian Navy to interact with relevant faculty members at IISc and will promote joint research programs in areas of mutual interest. Let's get into the details now. The areas of collaboration under this MoU will fall under the domain of aerospace or aeronautical engineering, including design and education technology. Specializations that will be under focus include propulsion and propulsion systems, steel technology, metallurgy and material sciences, and corrosion science, systems and controls, instrumentation and sensors, environmental science and engineering, energy science and engineering, management, industrial engineering and operational research, nanotechnology, and MEMS, that is micro electromechanical systems, artificial intelligence, data analytics, and machine learning. The collaboration will also foster regular interactions between IISc faculty members and officers of the Indian Navy. Also present at the occasion were chairs of several departments in the Division of Mechanical Sciences and the Office of Research Grants at IISc. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.